Hello children, now we are going to see for class 8 English Unit 3 prose part Sir Isaac Newton, the ingenious scientist. Session 1 and 2 notes. Roman letter A, fill in the blanks. So from session 1, first question, Isaac Newton was born at dash. So answer is Ulstroff. Second one, a grandmother was advised to apprentice him to a dash. So answer is clockmaker. A third one, Isaac made a clock by the dropping of dash. Answer is water. Fourth one, the sundial made by Isaac is still in existence at Woolsthorpe is the answer. A fifth one, Isaac constructed a model of the dash windmill is the answer. Roman letter P, choose the correct synonyms for the italicized words. The first one, Isaac was chiefly remarkable for his ingenuity. So what are the options? Option A is common, B notable, C neglected, and D unknown. So answer is notable is the answer. Second one, he will make a capital workman. So options are A wealth, B excellent, C profitable, D head. So answer is D head. Third one, nobody could tell what the sunshine was composed of. Option A is made, B known, C full, and D felt. The answer is A made. Fourth one, he cared a little for earthly fame and honors. So what are the options? A disrespect, B attraction, and C proud, and D popularity. So answer is disrespect. Now we are going to see from section 2, that is Roman letter A, choose the correct antonyms for the italicized words. So what is the first one? His grandmother was very kind to him. So options are A affectionate, B loving, C disrespectful, D is cruel. The answer is cruel. The second one, the boy seemed to have a taste for mathematics. So what are the options? Delicious, B sweet, C distaste, and D is against. The answer is distaste. Third one, Isaac possessed a wonderful faculty of acquiring knowledge. So option A is owned, B controlled, C lacks, and D have. The answer is lacks. And the fourth one, he was observed to be usually busy with his tools. So option A is common, B is rarely, C is unwantedly, and D is usually. So answer is B rarely. Roman letter B, answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. That is from page number 70. First one, who was taking care of Newton after his father's death? Answer, his grandmother was taking care of Newton after his father's death. Question number 2, what did Isaac manufacture at his young age? So answer is, Isaac manufactured many curious articles at young age. Question number 3, how did the young boy find the strength of the wind? Answer, the young boy found the strength of the wind by first jumping against the wind. According to the length of his jump, he could calculate the force of a gentle breeze, a brisk gale, or a tempest. Question number 4, why were his friends attracted by the windmill? So answer, the playmates of Newton were attracted by the model of the windmill. They thought it to be a pretty and wonderful. Question number 5, how was Newton honored by the king? So answer, the Newton was made a member of the parliament and received the honor of a knighthood from the king. Roman letter C, answer the following in about 100 words. First one, why did Newton's friend advise his grandmother to apprentice him to a clockmaker? Answer, Isaac seemed to have a taste for mathematics. Besides his mechanical skills, his taste for maths would be useful to him in clockmaking. Isaac made a kind of clock which would work by the dropping of water. Besides the water clock, Isaac made a sundial. The sundial is said to be still in existence at Ulsthorpe on the corner of the house where Isaac dwelt. Question number 2. How did Newton learn about the way a windmill operated? Answer. Newton frequently went to the windmill that operated on a new plan. He spent hours examining the various parts of the windmill. When the mill was not working, he examined its internal machinery. When the windmill's broad sails were in motion by the wind, and Newton examined the process by which the mill stones revolved and crushed the grains put into its hopper. Thus, the Newton gained thorough knowledge of the construction and operation of the windmill. Question number 3. Mention some of Newton's invention. Answer. A reflecting telescope, a laws of motion or law of gravity are the famous invention of Sir Isaac Newton. He also discovered calculus, and he was the first one to find out the nature of light. He searched out the laws by which the planets are guided through the sky.